Everyone. So I have here a species of tree that apparently when you grow them in pots, there's only supposed to be one tree, not two branches. So, okay, so a method I discovered on YouTube about how to safely amputate one branch of the tree, one limb of the tree from another involved shaving off the bark of the tree. And I attached this plastic bottle filled with dirt, and supposedly over a couple of weeks, roots will grow. And once the roots grow, I could then cut off the branch and then replant it. So let's see if this actually works out. All right, so you can see that I'm by myself out here recording, but I got the bottle onto the skin part of the tree branch filled with dirt. I use clear packaging tape to wrap the plastic bottle just so I can see keep track of the root growth. So we'll check on it in a few weeks and see if we have roots. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of months since you last saw me scrape some bark off one branch of this tree and put a bottle around it with dirt on it. Well, the bottle got very tight with roots, so I swapped it out for a larger bottle. And in a matter of 2 or 3 weeks, not even, the roots filled in the bigger bottle already. So it's been a couple of months. Today's the day. We're going to amputate. We're going to separate these Siamese twins. Oh, look at that, all full of roots. Okay.
A little more dirt because these roots are sticking out. I need these roots to be covered. A little more dirt will do the job. We grew this fiddle leaf roots with a water bottle, and they're so cool how they grew. And then now we cut it from this one. You see, we have this fiddle leaf. Now we got a transplant also. And then now we have this one that we cut off. And we're planting this baby. Okay, here he comes with the soil. The man, the myth, the legend.
Actually, a little bit of compost, but whatever.
Okay.
Turn it off. All right, the Siamese twins have successfully been separated. Let's see how that scar heals up in a few weeks. And this guy looks like he'll be just fine.